Alright, well, go to restart. I'll show you in a minute, or drive. I'll start it up again in a minute. As you can see, one of the problems that happens with these is they multiply. That's white SL we're working on. We just redid the paint and rebuilt the motor. And actually, it runs reasonably well. For the most part. Don't know what the hell it's bitching about. It keeps throwing a check engine light. I haven't pulled that code yet. A little more worried about it running. And it has a little bit of a fuel cell drop off. I'm not real sure what's going on with that. And strange enough, you see the check engine light goes off when I rev it. It has a problem. Yeah, don't know what that's about, but I got it driven up through the yard, and where's my lighting? There we go. Say that seemed a little dark to me. Yeah, I don't know if it could be all that junk laying around in the fuel tank or any number of other things. Don't know what that's about, but work on as time goes. I had to get some gas. I'm going to change the oil. Strangely enough, the oil pressure seems fine right now, but you can see it's dropping, but it gets real low, and to me that's already lower than it should be. I'll probably be rebuilding this, which I kind of figured anyway. It happens when you buy old cars, but especially these, because people beat the shit out of them. But yeah, kind of a little excited it's running. And it's looking all right. Lights work, and yeah, it idles okay. Could have something to do even with that stupid design of the bolt the intake together, and it not quite working right. Not having bolts even in it. But yeah. So that's her right now. Gonna right on vacuum, like I said before. I'm kind of okay with that. A little lower than it should be, I think, but like I said, I'm not sure how accurate that gauge is. That's an old used gauge, and it could be poorly calibrated, bent, damaged, whatever. That shit happens. But yeah,